This is sheet number 3 of the Excel thing, and so it's sorting and filtering. So how do you do sorting and filtering? Just go on home, go to sort and filter, enable filter. This is how you enable filter. Just click on this. Okay. After clicking on this, you get all these drop down things. Okay. After this, now suppose you want to sort the company name. So just go to the company name, click on this. Then if you want a certain company, suppose you want Infosys, so just deselect all, go to Infosys and select it, and here you have all the Infosys things. So similarly you can do it for the others. Maybe you want Asian Paints and you just use Asian Paints. If you want to go back, just select all. Okay, you got all your data. Done.